We are going to take a look at a Mar-Bel LS-12 laminate slitter. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. Is a nice, clean Mar-Bel laminate slitter. It is technically a die that punches out a 1/16 inch kerf. This single slitting model is designed to provide an accurate, smooth-edged cut. The machine will slit over a variety of thicknesses, easily slitting vertical or countertop grade material without adjustment or for the variation in material thickness. It operates off of single-phase 115 volt power.